Hi, my name is Gerko Oskam. I'm from the University, Pablo de Olavide in Sevilla, Spain. I'm very happy to invite you to participate in the tutorial course that I will be teaching at the International Materials Research Congress in Cancun. The course forms part of Symposium A4, which is on photoelectric chemistry, materials, devices and technology for energy conversion. And in particular, the tutorial course will be on photoelectric chemical energy conversion for solar fuels generation. And we'll be talking about novel materials and advanced characterization techniques. This course will be held on Wednesday morning during the Congress, and I would really like you to participate if you're interested. The course focuses on the important subject of clean solar fuels, in particular on the generation of green hydrogen by solar water splitting. The course aims to provide the fundamental basis for photoelectric chemical processes and photocatalysis, which will hopefully be helpful to better appreciate the presentations in the symposium. We will also talk about differences between classical monocrystalline materials and the currently used nanoscopic photoelectrodes and the usefulness of advanced characterization technique. We'll then show some examples and scale-up work to put all this in perspective. So I hope you'll be interested, and I hope to see you in Cancun.